I'm going to show you how to shift your tractor in and out of four-wheel drive while moving. This is a Kubota BX 2360. This will work on larger tractors also. Before you attempt to shift into four-wheel drive, your front and rear wheels need to be turning the same speed. So that means if your rear tires are spinning, do not try it. Or if your rear tires are sliding, do not try it. Or if you're making a turn, don't try it. All you need to be doing is, if you're driving along and pushing down on the hydro pedal, just ease up a little bit and it'll go right into four-wheel drive. And then if you want it to come out of four-wheel drive, let up again. You're just taking the pressure off the gears and then it'll come right out. You don't need to jam it. You can just barely touch it and it'll go right in. Now I'll start the tractor up and do it going slow here and show you. Move it along. Ease up a little. Right in. One thumb. You can see, driving along, I'm not letting up on the pedal. It won't go, well, there it did. This gear's aligned. But if you let up, it goes right in. Let up on the pedal. Now I'll do it at full speed, high range. Like I say, if your tires are spinning, if your rear tires are sliding, or if you're turning, do not attempt to take it in or out of four-wheel drive.